Hello class 10. Today I will discuss the another part of linear inequation in one variable. In last class we had seen the rules for solving of linear inequation and some problems based on linear inequation, especially the solving of linear inequation and after solving writing the solution set. Now today in this part especially we have to see the representation of solution set on the real number line. Real number line, especially x when x belongs to natural number, whole number, integers and real number. Let us see one problem. Solve the following inequation and write the solution set. An inequation is -2 less than or equal to 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 1 upon 5 by 6, and x belongs to natural number. Represent the solution on a real number line. Now see, the first part is -2 less than or equal to 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3. Now transferring this negative term from one side to another, it becomes positive, and -2 transferring from one side to another, it becomes positive. This 2x by 3 is written same. This 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2. Both the sides multiplied by 6. This 6 cancelled by 3 2 2 2s are 4x and 2 cancelled by 6 3 3 5s are 15. Both the sides divided by 4. This 4 4 cancel. X less than or equal to 15 divided by 4 will get 3.75. Now the another part is 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 1 upon 5 by 6. The left hand part is same. 6 1s are 6 plus 5 11 by 6. Now transferring minus 2x by 3 this side, and 1 by 2 is same, and 11 by 6 transferring this side, it becomes negative. Now each term of both the sides multiplied by 6. This 6 cancelled by 2 will get 3. 6 6 cancel will get 11, and 6 cancelled by 3 2 2 2s are 4x. 11 minus 3 minus 8, and this 4x is same. Both the sides divided by 4, and minus 8 divided by 4 will get -2, and 4x divided by 4 will get x. Now the solution set is x such that -2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3.75, and x belongs to natural number. So the value, it should be greater than or equal to -2, but it should be natural number. So the natural number begins from 1, but the value of x, it should be less than or equal to 3.75. So the solution set will be 1 2 and 3. Now representing this solution set on the real number line. On the real number line, you have to draw a horizontal line. Both the ends arrowhead should be there, and one extra number in the left side. It means before 1 0 should be there, and one extra number after 3 4 should be there. And in case of natural number 1 2 3, this on 1 2 3 small darkened circle should be there. This is the representation of this solution set on the real number line. Now see one more problem. Solve the following inequation and write the solution set. This time in equation is this, and x belongs to whole number w, and graph the solution set on the number line. The first part is this, -2x taking this side, it becomes positive, and this term taking this side, it becomes positive, and both the sides multiplied by 6. 3 cancelled by 6 2 2 2s are 4x. 2 cancelled by 6 3 1s are 3. 6 cancelled 17. 17 plus 3 20. Both the sides divided by 4. 4 4 cancel. X less than 5. The another part is 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 2. This minus plus 2 taking this side -2, and minus 2x by 3 taking this side, it becomes plus 2x by 3. And now both the sides multiplied by 6. 2 cancelled, 6 cancelled by 2, 3 3 3s are -9, and 6 cancelled by 3 get 2 2 is 4. 4 both the sides divided by 4, and -9 divided by 4 2 minus 2.25 less than or equal to x. So the inequation will be x such that this, it is the set builder form. The value of x, it's greater than or equal to minus 2.25, but x belongs to whole number. So whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, but the value of x should be less than 5. It means 4. In same way, representation of solution set on the real number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. But you have to keep in mind one extra number in the left side and one extra number in the right side. Both the arrowhead should be there. Now this time same problem, but x belongs to integers. The first part is 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 5x plus 4. Minus 5 is written same, plus 4 taking this side minus 4, 5x plus 2x taking this side minus 2x. Now see, minus 9, 3x, both the sides divided by 3, minus 3 less than or equal to x, 5x plus 4 is less than 11, 5x, 11 minus 4, 7, both the side divided by 5, this. So the solution set will be in the set builder form, this one, but x belongs to integers. So the value of x, it should be greater than or equal to minus 3. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 1, because x less than 1.4 and x belongs to integers. Now representing this solution set on the real number line. In same way, we are plotting these numbers on the darkened circle on the real number line. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Arrowhead should be there, and one extra number this side and one extra number this side. Now see one more problem. Solve the following equation and write the solution set. 2y minus 3 less than y plus 1 less than or equal to 4y plus 7, and y belongs to real number. Represent the solution on a real number line. In last three problem we have seen x belongs to natural number, x belongs to whole number, and x belongs to integers, and this is the variable belongs to real number. In case of real number, generally we are not writing the solution set. We are writing the solution set, but writing the solution set in the set builder form and representing the solution set on the real number line. Now let us see. The first part is 2y minus 3 less than y plus 1. 2y is same, plus y taking this side minus y, 1 is same, minus 3 taking this side plus 3. So 2y minus y, 3 plus 1, 4. The another part is y plus 1 less than or equal to 4y plus 7. 1 is same, plus 7 taking this side, 4y is same, plus y taking this side minus y. So 7 minus 1 minus 6, and 4y minus 1y, that is 3y, both the side divided by 3 will get minus 2 less than or equal to y. So see here, I am written the solution set in the set builder form. No solution set I am written. In case of real number, the solution set is always written in the form of set builder form, because the value of y, it should be greater than or equal to minus 2 but less than 4. See the number line, one extra number this side and one extra number this side, 4 extra 5. See, the value of y, it should be greater than or equal to minus 2. On minus 2 we have put it a darkened circle because it is greater than or equal to, and y is less than 4. So in case of less than 4, only hollow circle should be there, and the whole part it should be, and the whole line it should be darkened this way. This is especially in case of real number. Thank you.